We are looking at frequently asked questions on the Ambassador Yoga page. Let's look at our admin and refund policies for the Yoga Trainer Fast Track. Welcome to the Yoga Trainer Fast Track.
We help experienced yoga teachers become trainers in their very own yoga teacher training school.
If you wish it was easier to have your own training,
like and subscribe to get free resources. Let's get started.
It's great for people to understand what the refund policy is for the Yoga Trainer Fast Track. So let's take a look on our frequently asked questions page. So what is the refund policy for the Yoga Trainer Fast Track? Our refund policy is that there are no refunds. And that is because once you sign up for the program, you will have everything you need to offer the 200-hour teacher training. You'll have all the manuals and everything. Your school registration will be set up. So if we refund you, you already have everything and we would have nothing. So what we say is that we want to meet with you as many times as you want. Make sure you understand the program before you sign up, and then only sign up if you feel like it's a really good fit for you.
Yeah, absolutely. It's instant access once you submit a payment, which is great for you to have instant access. But of course, then once you have it, it's not something we can return.
Mm-hmm. And the same goes for when a student has withdrawn from the training. So there is a 10% license fee that trainers pay.
It's the same situation for your students. Once you've ordered codes and they have access to the manual and the 10 hours of online training per module, they've got access. The manual could have been downloaded. There's no way to sort of retract the access that's been given. So if your student withdraws from your training, make sure that you have a no refund policy, or that 10% is at least not refunded. We always want to be fair when it comes to refunds, but we also want people to stay accountable for the decisions that they have made. So working with us, we will meet with you as many times as you want, answer your questions, make a decision that's right for you. And then we hope that you pass that down to your students when they're signing up for training.
And what's interesting too is when we fill in the Yoga Alliance application for you as the syllabus manager, we actually have to upload your refund policy. And so at that point, we say, like, if you're saying, oh, people can get a full refund, then the trainer has to realize that they won't get the license fee refunded if the student withdraws. So you need to take that into account. You're going to be out of pocket if you give a full refund and your student withdraws. Okay, our final frequently asked question is, how do I give my students access to the training? What happens is trainers can order codes for their students to access the manuals and the 40 hours of pre-recorded training. We have a page, when you click this link, order codes for your students, it opens up this page and you will order using the form here. It's going to ask you which module you're working on, all the information that we need. We keep track of the first and last name of your students, but we don't communicate with them. You'll do all communication. When it comes to connecting with your students and sending your students to the training, then that is all available on the Trainer Fast Track course that you as the trainer are enrolled in.
So it's important to understand that, we've moved into a digital age with this Yoga Trainer Fast Track program, and all of the resources that your students are getting access to are online. We'll invoice you for the license fee, then we'll give you the code, and then you give your code to the student, which reduces their fee to zero because they've already paid you. And then, you've got this beautiful online virtual course, the Yoga Trainer Fast Track. It's where we house all of your documents. There was a time where we used to send actual files to people. Now we don't have to do that. It's all housed in this one place, and you as the trainer can find everything that you need right here. You can see you've got your trainer lesson plans. You've got an email template. When we do give you the code, this is how you tell your students how to implement it, all kinds of goodies. And this is available for you to look at anytime. So you can find it and see what's included.
And we're always here for you. There's a link to book a Zoom call. It's unlimited support whenever you need it. It's all there. So keep that in mind if you're thinking of the Yoga Trainer Fast Track. We are really happy to meet with you on a discovery call, answer all your questions, make sure we've got a right fit. So book a call on the ambassadoryoga.com website and we'll fill you in on any other details or questions you have.